Hello everybody. Today we can see about Calbiotech ELISA Kit. Here we can see the brand name Calbiotech, and this is a top view. In this side we can see the brand name Calbiotech. On the other side we can see the details of product details. This is a product name hCG ELISA Kit. Here we can also see the reference number HC251F, then lot number, then expiry date, manufacturing date and expiry date. This kit is we can have to 96 tests. We can store this test 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and this is the manufacturing details. And this picture reference this contains instruction manual, and this is a CE approved IVD product. Then we can see the other side. In this side we can see the brand name. On the other side also. Now I am going to unpack this product for your reference. The first one is instruction manual. In this instruction manual we can see the human chronic gonadotropin hCG ELISA. The instruction manual contains Indian cues. The hCG ELISA kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of hCG in urine, serum or plasma. Then summary and explain principle of test, materials not provided, and storage and stability. These are the details are including in this instruction manual. We keep this aside. Then we can take next one. This is certificate of analysis provided by Calbiotech. In this certificate we can see the kit name hCG ELISA, then lot number, certificate of analysis, catalog number HC251F, then expiry date also. This is for component, part number, lot number, expiry date, hCG standard 1, standard 2, standard 3. We keep this certificate aside. Then this is a test kit. This kit we can see the reference number, lot number, expiry date, streptadivine coated wells. This kit stored 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why we using ice pack. We keep this aside. Then we can see the inside the box. We can see these containers all have different colors: black, yellow, blue, pink, green, violet, red and white. I'm take this one by one. The first one, is hCG conjugate reagent. For this we can see this is a reference number HC7080G, lot number and expiry date. This is a 12 ml container. We can store this container 2 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius, and keep this aside. And the next one, TMB substrate. These are the details of this substrate, reference number, lot number, and expiry date. This is a 12 ml container, and keep this aside. The next one, was concentrate 20x. These are the details of this concentrate, reference number, lot number and expiry date. And this is a 25 ml container, and keep this the side. The next one, stop solution. This is the details of the stop solution, reference number, lot number and expiry date. And this is a 12 ml container, and keep this side. The next one, is hCG standard 3. The standard represents green color top, and keep this at the side. Then next one, hCG standard 5. This standard 5 comes with violet color top. And the next one, hCG standard 6. This container comes with red color top. And the next one, hCG standard 1. This container comes with top white. And the next one, hCG standard 2. This container comes with yellow top. And the next one, hCG control 1. This comes with black color top. And the next product is hCG standard 4. It comes with blue color top. And keep this aside. The last one is hCG control 2. This control 2 comes with pink color top. Yeah, we go for summarize. This is a Calbiotech product, hCG ELISA Kit. This kit contains one instruction manual, one certificate of analysis, one streptavidin coated wells, 96 wells, then one wash concentrate, one hCG conjugate reagent, one TMB substrate, one stop solution, then standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, standard 4, standard 5, standard 6 solutions, then control 1 and control 2 solutions. Thank you.